welcome back to another episode. What are we doing today?
Hopefully dropping a few mallards, get some nice green heads.
This is Oliver. You guys have not seen him in a video yet. New person to the video. We got the decoys, only got 14 decoys out, little river hunt. Mallards are flying right there, there's 3 of them. Okay, I got the camera in my head, I'm gonna put this camera on the tripod. Birds are starting to fly, so hopefully we can kill a few. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. There you go, you're good, you're good. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, well, hopefully I got it on my head camera. Just down a Drake mallard and a shoveler, I believe. Ducks are flying, so I'm gonna put this camera back up on the tripod and see if we can get a few more. Stay tuned. Okay, Oliver, got a nice young Drake shoveler. I got a Drake mallard on the other side of the river, and there's ducks flying, so hopefully we can keep shooting them. Okay, here's the Drake from before. Big old northern Drake, just beautiful. Just beautiful. Ollie just capped off this hen, flew right around the corner, came to the decoys, could not get the camera on fast enough. So we're at 3 now. No. Okay, well, so I'll show you the setup here. We were sitting right there, and the ducks kept coming right around this corner, and they'd come up and fly away. So now, moved up a little further. As soon as they come around that corner, hopefully come right into the decoys. Got 14 decoys out to Mojo. And hopefully now, they'll come right into the decoys and we can shoot a couple. Okay, well, it's currently about 11 o'clock. Not much flying at all. Just gonna stay out here until closing, I believe. See what we can get done. Still got 2 mallards and a shoveler, and yeah. Decoys are chilling. Oliver taking a nap. It's nice. There you go. Hopefully the camera doesn't die. So stay tuned. Well, hope you guys liked today's video. I'm filming this on the big camera because it may die soon, and I'm just gonna have to film the rest of it on the camera that's on my head. Hopefully we can get a couple more ducks, but thanks everybody for watching, and see you next time.